Experiencing a key fob not working error on your Flipper Zero? The most common culprits are outdated firmware or incorrect protocol settings. First, update your Flipper Zero to the latest stable firmware version 1.3.2 as of October 2025 using the QFlipper software or web interface. Firmware updates often include bug fixes, improved RFID NFC handling, and support for new key fob types. Second, ensure the correct protocol is selected in the RFID app. Key fobs use various protocols like Ask OK or MyFair. A mismatch will prevent the Flipper Zero from reading or emulating the fob's signal. Use the read mode to identify the correct protocol or consult your fob's documentation. AI-assisted protocol auto detection is now integrated into the updates, so allow the device to attempt to discover the correct protocols. These steps resolve most reported issues. If problems persist, move on to checking the battery. A weak battery can significantly impact RFID coil performance, leading to read failures. Replace the CR1220 coin cell for reliable operation. The Flipper Zero now includes a diagnostic mode to check battery health. Ensure the battery provides sufficient voltage for proper RFID operation. If using a LiPo battery, recharge it to maintain performance. Monitor power consumption. Firmware updates improve battery efficiency in idle modes. Verify the fob's frequency, typically 1 in 25 kHz for low frequency or 13.56 MHz for high frequency RFID. Test functionality with different key fobs to confirm device operation. Recalibrate the RFID coil in the app settings for better performance. Check community forums for device-specific troubleshooting tips. If all else fails, consider the possibility of a faulty RFID coil, especially in older devices. Remember, consistently updating the firmware, setting the correct protocol, and maintaining battery health are crucial for reliable key fob functionality on your Flipper Zero.